Hello guys, welcome back again to my cooking channel. And today I gonna cook of the food of fish that show with the super spicy, sour, and very good taste of these fish sauces. And I choose the red fish guys that I'm washing already. And about the crockery, there are red pepper and this green pepper, garlic, lemon, and sugar palm also. And this one, never forget, is the fish sauces. Okay guys, so let's continue watching my processing all together. Okay guys, now I'm gonna clean this fish. First I cut the tail, and this also. Oh, wow. Okay, now the fish very clean. Sliding this red pepper. Of course, lemongrass just put inside to the mouth of the fish only. Lemon. So that is the time for mixing the grocery to the salt. I add lemongrass, lemon leaf into the mouth and also the tummy of the fish, because that's gonna be the very good smell to the fish and cut down the bad odor. And add more salt. Topping with the red and green pepper, and just keep around 5 minutes to 10 minutes and go to steam with me. Okay guys, now the time to steam the fish. You guys can see my steam pot very hot and vibration, and let's put in and keep steam around 30 minutes. Okay, now 30 minutes arrive, and you guys can see the fish. Oh, I'm gonna take out and just keep waiting more. I'm gonna adding the sauces on the top. Okay guys, now the fish is well cooked, and move to the last step that I'm gonna topping with this sauces. It's the fish sauces. Oh my god, about the smell is very nice. And this green onion and also herb. It's all done about my recipe today. Okay guys, like you keep watching that all the recipe and also the process of the food is all done. Now it's the time for me for test and know about that test with me. Okay guys, let's go. Oh my god. So now I'm gonna test it. This one. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm gonna soaking with the sauces. Very spicy guys, but yummy. let's check. Yeah, about this lemongrassy inside the tummy. You guys can see there are so many fish bones, so when it wow. Okay guys, this is the lemon that topping. Like you guys can see, when I will prepare for the last, I gonna add the lemon and also fish sauces. Okay, maybe you guys know that the lemon is very good for our health, that cut the triglyceride in our body. So I add more for this. Okay, I soaking with the fish sauces. Now let's test that lemon with me. Sour, but mixed with the fish sauce is very good taste. Of course guys, for the food I really recommend to you guys. And one more thing, you need to careful that about the fish is choose the fish that fresh, and all kind of this crockery mixed all together like me gonna be very good taste. I hope that you guys gonna enjoy this video by click like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel also. See you guys next video.